welcome to Colin's Yarn Magic. This week's stitch is the Starburst stitch, and it's a lovely 2-row repeat. So it's also double-sided. This side has some more texture than the other side, but it is completely reversible. Your foundation chain for this pattern is a multiple of 3, and you want to do that quite loose. Then we'll begin our first row. Okay, so with your multiples of 3, we're going to begin in the second chain from our hook with a single crochet. So not this one, into your next stitch, and work a US single crochet. So yarn over, pull up. When you've got 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Into the next stitch, you're going to work another single crochet. So into that stitch there, work your single crochet. Chain 1. Skip 1. Okay, so we've chained 1, we'll skip this one, and now we're going to work 2 single crochets and a skip 1 with a chain. So again, we're going to do 2 single crochet, 1, 2, remember to do your chain, and then skip 1, 2 single crochet, 1, 2, chain 1, skip 1 and repeat. You will finish this row with 2 single crochet and then we'll move on. So 2 single crochet, chain 1, do that all across the row and we'll begin the next round together. Okay, so to make sure that we don't have big gaps at the start and the end of our project, we're going to do a foundation double crochet for the first stitch. So to do that, turn your work over, and into that first stitch here, you're going to work a single crochet. Now, under this left loop only, insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, and when you've got 2, work another single crochet. So it's 2 single crochet on top of one another. You're going to skip 1 at the start and the end, and working into this space, which is our chain 1, skip 1 space, we're going to do our pattern repeat, which is a 2-in-1 stitch, a double crochet, and a 2-in-1 stitch. So yarn over first, go into that space, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So it's just like a double crochet to start. Then we're going to yarn over again, go into the same space, pull up another loop, and when you've got 4 loops, yarn over and pull through all 4. So that gives you 2 posts to work, but 2 posts, but only 1 stitch to work into. So that's the first. You're going to separate those with a double crochet. So yarn over into the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. One more 2-in-1 stitch. So yarn over, go in, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over again, go into the same space, pull up another loop. When you've got 4, yarn over and pull through all 4. Find your next space, which will be 2 stitches away this time. So 1, 2, and into this space, repeat. 2-in-1, double, 2-in-1. Yarn over, go back in. When you've got 4, yarn over, pull through all 4. Yarn over, go into the space. When you've got 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. 2-in-1 stitch, yarn over first, go into the space, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, back into the space, and when you've got 4, yarn over, pull through all 4. I'll show you that one more time. Into this space again, 2-in-1 stitch, pull through 2, go back, when you've got 4, pull through all 4, double crochet, and then another 2-in-1 stitch. Pull through 2, yarn over, go into the space, pull through 4. You're going to do that across the row. Once you've worked your last repeat here, you're left with 2 stitches. Stop and we'll finish the row together. So you'll do your repeat in the space, then stop. Okay, so I'm just on this last repeat. Oh. So I'm doing my last 2 in 1 stitch. And then I'm going to skip 1. And to end, we're going to do a different type of double crochet. So I'm going to show you without first. So in that last stitch, work a double crochet. Okay. So this isn't the stitch, I'm just showing you the difference. So you can see that this leaves us with a big gap here between the end of our project. So what you're going to do instead is we're going to work like a thicker double crochet by starting the same. So yarn over, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you can see that we have 2 loops here, like a left loop and a right loop. You're going to go under the left loop, yarn over and pull up a loop. When you've got 3, yarn over and pull through all 3, and that closes that big gap. So that's how, if you're ever struggling with that, a gap at the front, if it starts with a chain 3 maybe and ends with a double crochet, you might not like that gap. So you can start with a foundation double crochet and end with one of these thicker double crochets. Okay, turn your work. Into the first stitch, you're going to begin. So single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, 2 single crochet. So it's just the same as the first row. 1, 2, chain 1, skip 1, 2 single crochet. 1, 2, chain, skip, and do that all the way across. 2 single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, 2 single crochet. Okay, I'm going to show you how to start your starburst row again. So turn your work first into that first stitch here, work a single crochet, go under your left loop. When you've got 2, pull through 2, skip 1, into the gap or your chain 1, skip 1 space, repeat, 2 in 1, double, 2 in 1. And a 2 in 1. So this is kind of like a double crochet 2 together, but you jump a step. So you just come through all 4. Skip 2, find your next chain space and repeat. Pull through 2, pull through 4, just a normal double, and another 2 in 1 stitch. Skip 2 and repeat. Two in 1, double, and 2 in 1. Do that again all across the row until you've just got that last 2 stitches remaining, and I'll show you how to end the row so that we don't have the gaps, and it's much easier to add a border, or it gives you a perfectly straight edge at both sides. Okay, continue across. Okay, so at the end of the row, you skip 1 in your last stitch there, work your double crochet as normal to begin. When you've got 2 loops on your hook, you're going to insert back under the third loop, under the left loop, pull up another one. When you've got 3, yarn over and pull through all 3. Turn your work and begin again. So you can chain 1 and turn, or just turn, it's up to yourself. As long as you remember the chain 1 doesn't count. And then you would begin. You would do your single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, 2 single crochet across. And that was the starburst stitch. Like I say, this is the wrong side, and this is the right side of your work. I actually prefer the wrong side because it's more 3D and it gives you that kind of, I don't know, like a starbursting kind of effect. Okay, so that was this week's video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye now.